Now, local lawmakers are considering a bill that could make so-called generational tobacco bans against the law.
22 News State House reporter Olivia Ray has public testimony on whether cities and towns should be able to make their own judgments on consumer product sales.
A pending Bay State bill would prevent cities and towns' boards of health from implementing a community-wide ban on any legal consumer product. While this bill does not reference nicotine or tobacco in its text, it would disallow municipalities from instituting tobacco and nicotine bans and regulations independent of the state's rules. Northampton and Belchertown both currently have generational tobacco bans, prohibiting anyone born in 2004 or later from ever purchasing these addictive and harmful substances.
We want to regulate an industry that specifically targets our youth with a deadly addictive substance. And giving the local communities the tools to do that is so important.
One law professor testified that local bans on the sale of tobacco allow towns to serve as testing grounds for policies later adopted statewide. For example, some Massachusetts towns made the switch to a legal age of 21 for purchasing tobacco before the rest of the state and the country followed suit.
And these bills seek to reverse this and stop one of the most exciting and impactful tobacco policy movements in the world in its tracks.
Massachusetts is ahead of the curve with this policy, as most states do not allow similar product bans coming from municipalities' boards of health. The state's highest court has already upheld one town's authority to impose a generational tobacco ban, and it's not yet clear what would happen to cities and towns with pre-existing rules should this bill pass. Working for you from the State House in Boston, I'm Olivia Ray, 22 News.